Hello everyone, let's dive into the OREI 4x1 KVM HDMI Seamless Switch Multiviewer. This device is designed to streamline your workspace by allowing you to share multiple devices, PCs, computers, even phones and gaming consoles, on a single display monitor. It's a 4K 2.0A 18 gigabits per second switch featuring 4 HDMI inputs and 4 USB host inputs, all converging into one output. The key benefit here is consolidation. Instead of juggling multiple monitors and peripherals, you can manage up to 4 devices from a single screen, keyboard, and mouse. The multi-viewer functionality is particularly useful, enabling you to view all 4 desktops simultaneously in quad mode. This is a game changer for multitasking, allowing you to monitor different systems or applications at a glance. Beyond video, the OREI KVM switch also incorporates a 3-port USB 3.1 Gen 1 hub, supporting super speed 5 gigabit per second data transfer. This means you can seamlessly share USB peripherals like external hard drives, printers, or webcams between your connected devices. The inclusion of audio extraction through optical or analog outputs is another plus, providing flexibility for your audio setup. The OREI KVM switch is ideal for anyone who juggles multiple devices regularly. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or simply someone who needs to manage multiple computers, this device can significantly improve your workflow. Imagine controlling your PC, laptop, Android smartphone, and PS5 all from one monitor and set of peripherals. Switching between devices is made easy with the included remote control, front panel buttons, and RS-232 support. The build quality feels solid, and the black color blends well with most setups. Setting up the device is straightforward. Simply connect your HDMI and USB cables, and you're ready to go. The OREI KVM switch supports resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring a sharp and clear picture. However, there are a few things to consider. While the seamless switching is generally smooth, there might be a slight delay when transitioning between devices, especially when using the multi-viewer mode. Also, make sure your cables are up to spec, especially if you're running 4K signals. High-quality HDMI cables are essential to avoid any signal issues. Overall, the OREI 4x1 KVM HDMI Seamless Switch Multiviewer is a versatile and practical device for anyone looking to simplify their multi-device setup. Its multi-viewer capabilities, USB 3.0 hub, and audio extraction features make it a valuable addition to any workspace. If you're looking for a way to consolidate your devices and streamline your workflow, the OREI KVM switch is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.